Hey guys, wishing you all a very happy new year. It's 2019 now. Oh my god, 2018 passed by so fast. And yeah, 2018 for me had its ups and downs. And life is all about looking forward, trying to be positive and all. And let's hope, all of our 2019 is going to be full of happiness, joy, positivity, health, love, wealth, everything. So I wish you all a very good happy new year. And yeah, it's kind of funny thing, every time uh, the new year's happen, we are also motivated to do positive stuff. So let's just hope we keep up that spirit and just follow that positivity for the whole year and not just give up once January is over. So yeah, today in this video I have a very exciting product to review. I've been testing it out. It's a makeup sponge which has been launched by my beloved friend. Her name is Anamika Sureka and her brand is called Wiseshe. So you must have known she's a very famous Indian beauty blogger, and she has been blogging for a while now, and she's a YouTuber as well. So I'll put all the links in the description down below so that you guys can check her out. So yeah, she has launched her own brand which is called Wiseshe, and I'm pretty proud of her and so happy for her. So I got my hands on these Wiseshe makeup beauty sponges a week back or so, and I have been testing it out. I've used it few times already, and I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I love how soft these sponges are. So these beauty blenders by Wiseshe brand, this one is the tear duct shape. So this one is the tear duct shape, and this one is called Precise Makeup Beauty Blender Sponge. So this is, the quality is very nice. This one is dry because I have not used the tear duct shape yet, but this one I've already started using, and right now this one is very wet, and as you can see, this one, it has puffed up into a double size of this tear duct one, which is dry right now. So the size is also nice. It's not too big, it's not too small once you wet it, and I really like how soft it is. And before this makeup sponge I was using the YBP makeup sponge, and that one has been so far my favorite one, but that one is very expensive. Price point and quality wise, I've noticed that this one seems so much better compared to the YBP one, because the YBP one is 1000 rupees almost, that's what I'm guessing, and this one is just for 600 rupees. And right now, since it's a new launch by Wiseshe brand, it is for 600 rupees, and you get a mini beauty blender free with a makeup sponge. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer just around the T-zone and under my eyes. And now I will be using the mini beauty blender to blend out the concealer under my eyes first. So as you can see of my close-up of my face over here, it's like blended very nicely, and it was very quick. I'm really liking the mini beauty blender. Sometimes if you just want to wear concealer, you can use the mini beauty blender just to apply the concealer. See, I'm not even fast forwarding, and it's blending out so well, and it feels very soft when I'm bouncing it like that. I'm not doing it hard, just like this. It feels nice. It's almost like a mini massage. As you can see, applied the concealer. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. And now I'll be applying the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Second Skin Foundation. So I'm in shade 02 Natural. So I'll be applying this. I need to shake it first. This is one of my favorite foundation. I really like their formula. It feels almost light on the face. And now I'm using the Precise Beauty makeup sponge by Wiseshe. I'm just gonna like dab. And make sure when you're applying any kind of a cream foundation using the wet makeup sponge, so make sure you are dabbing like this so that the foundation is applied well, and don't drag it like this. You're not supposed to drag it, you're supposed to dab so that the foundation blends well. So yeah, I really like to use this part over here, as you can see, to apply my foundation everywhere. This part is great over here if you want to like apply powder like this, loose powder. But yeah, this part I use a lot because sometimes you just only need this part to apply it under the eyes, the concealer, and then the sides over here to apply the foundation like this all over the cheeks and over here on the nose, and then the cone again you can use around the corners of your nose is also nice. So that way I really like this. And as you can see, I'm really liking how my foundation is looking flawless. So now I'll be applying some cream blush and cream highlighter using the mini makeup sponge by Wiseshe. So in no particular order, I will be applying the cream highlighter first. This one is by MAC called Hush. And I'll be using the tip of my fingers just to rub and warm up. So now I'm applying the Bobbi Brown cream blush. This one is in powder pink shade. Again, first I'm using my fingers just to lightly dab, and then I'm slowly going to build up the color. So as you can see, my cream highlighter is blended well with my cream blush. So that's the beauty of this makeup sponge. Once you wet it, a good makeup sponge is going to last you for a very long time, and all of your makeup is going to be blended well, especially the cream base. Everything from the cream highlighter, blush, foundation, anything which is creamy, it's going to like work well with a very good makeup sponge you need. So Wiseshe brand, it's not too expensive, it's not going to break your bank, so I really like that. The quality is really nice, you know, for the price of 600 rupees, so I really like that. Now what I'm going to do is powder my face and apply some eye makeup, and then I'll come back right up. So guys, as you can see, my foundation, cream application, everything, you know, the whole base looks very well. I'm really liking how it looks on my viewfinder. And what I really liked about this makeup sponge is that how it applied around the corners of my nose, under my eyes as well, with the mini makeup sponge. I really liked it, and I like how my foundation looks very natural, you know. It's very well blended on my skin, so I really like that compared to the pack makeup sponges and the YBP makeup sponges I have tried out. I love the YBP makeup sponge, and comparing that to this one, the Wiseshe makeup sponge, I feel the Wiseshe makeup sponge really wins because it is only for 600 rupees, and with 600 rupees you get two products. You get like one mini beauty blender free with the main big beauty blender, so that's also very nice. Both performs very well. When it comes to makeup sponges, I'm very picky, and I really like a very good quality makeup sponges, and Wiseshe brand has definitely impressed me with this latest launch of theirs. I really liked how soft the makeup sponges are. They are latex free, and it's very soft, and they are also vegan as well, the product, so that's also very nice. And if you are a pro makeup artist, you would definitely need to check this makeup sponge out. It's really good. It's not too expensive. It's not going to break your bank, so that's also very nice. And I'm really loving the quality of these makeup sponges. So guys, thank you so much for watching my review video of these Wiseshe makeup sponges. I'm really loving it. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.